Ever wondered what happens when the power of AI meets the art of interior design? Buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey where algorithms and aesthetics collide to create the perfect blend of functionality and flair. And there you have it, design enthusiasts. We've taken you on a captivating journey through the realm of AI-infused bedroom design ideas. 10 stunning photo slideshows have unfolded before your eyes, each one a testament to the incredible synergy between artificial intelligence and the art of creating your perfect sanctuary. From sleek and modern to cozy and eclectic, our AI has curated a diverse array of designs that cater to every taste and preference. We hope these visual inspirations have sparked your creativity and fueled your passion for transforming your bedroom into a space that reflects your unique style. But the adventure doesn't end here. We encourage you to revisit these slideshows, pause, rewind, and let the ideas percolate. Share your thoughts and design aspirations in the comments below. We'd love to hear which styles resonated with you the most. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join our community as we continue to explore the fascinating intersection of AI and design across various spaces.